today.
You're back today again, Shaw.
Bigger one.
You're trying to get the bigger barrel today. One big one, don't you wait for you, man. 1 5 pound one, don't you, sir?
Try to get me maybe a 10 pound or 5 pound.
Yeah, guys.
One was small.
So back at it again. Hartman Adventures. We actually bumped into Hartman Adventures down here, guys. He's here. Shaw's here. Anthony Spearfishing is here. And we're gonna get busy. And he's going out again, and Andre, they're hitting the water up. We're down further down the coast, guys. So he's gonna try his luck down here and work this reef up back the line and coming back down. Alright? Anthony, may I dip on the other side when you reach back? Alright. Hey guys, came back to one of these spots again underneath this damn bridge. Trying to pick up a snook, guys. The river changed. It's actually low tide. Getting chased by something. Snapper chasing it. Woohoo! Schoolmaster snapper chasing it, guys. Fish on, guys. Snapper. Got him. There you go, guys. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing on the lure. Look at that. Schoolmaster snapper, guys. Let's get my rod secure real quick and get this fish secure, guys. That's what's up. Get my string out. Look at this lure catch, guys. Snapper on the lure. Look at the size of this bad boy. Good catch. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. Alright. Got you cleaned up. Alright. Eh! Me can't see!
Yeah, I said not going.
Alex! Alex! Then how if you blind and can't see? Then how you name blind and you can't see? Then how you name blind and you can't see? Me blood.
Yeah. You can go on now.
I snap but yeah, where you going, good man, Jerry?
Yeah.
But you be knock him. Mama can take the thing out, guys.
You think you can go on, man?
Where's that? Go back in. Go back.
That one's so far, but it's funny, right? You know.
I can't believe I
So a mangrove snapper. That is it.
Could you show Nana?
Oh.
Not you.
It's a big snapper, yeah, peep. See fat. Shut. Some more there, so too. Nice.
We're gonna close this video off, guys, because that's it. The end of the day. Hartman Adventures is here, guys. Jump over to his channel, check his channel out, give him a like, share, and subscribe. And definitely jump over to Anthony's Spearfishing channel, guys. Anthony just got back in, and he's been in the water all morning since 5 o'clock this morning, guys. And I'm suppose he's pretty tired. So we're gonna call it a day, guys, and close this video off. And we're gonna shoot in, try to get some food in our system, because we definitely didn't have breakfast this morning, guys. And we just set out early this morning on some fishing mission. and bumped into Andre from Hartman Adventures. I'm sure you've seen him in prior videos, guys, that we did at Rio Bueno with the St. James Youth Parish Council, Andre?
Yeah.
Yeah, and we did a charity event with them and gave away some free rods. Guys, jump over to the channel, like, share, subscribe. Big up yourself. Thank you for watching. Also, jump over to Anthony Spearfishing JA, give him a yell up, tell him Jamaican Shore Fishing sent you. Like, share, and subscribe just and well. And please, guys, watch the ads. That's how we get to make a little bit of revenue to provide us with some better gears to provide better content for you guys. Big up yourself, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are outside. We are out here, guys. Big up yourself, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Shore fishing, guys, from our catch today, guys, that we caught. The snappers. The snapper I caught under the bridge. Anthony's kill from spearfishing today. We're gonna cook those up in some badness today, guys. We're gonna do some steam fish and okra and these things today, guys. We have some peas that we had pressured earlier. These are ready, so we're gonna do some rice and peas, guys. So stay tuned, guys. We are out here, guys. Another delicious meal. Stay tuned, guys. Outside, Anthony. Oh, sorry, guys, but Anthony Spearfishing is here also with me, guys, and he's here, guys, and we're getting ready to do another cook up, guys. As usual, guys, stay tuned for another great one. Outside. Like I said, guys, we have some rice and peas and some fish. We're gonna get ready to steam up, guys. So this is all the ingredients that we have here to throw into that.
Wash the rice, you know.
Yeah, wash your rice now, guys. Yeah, peas cook long time. Now we done show the seasoning. Add a little more water to this. And, you know, we have your scallion and your thyme and your pepper and that. Peas and that already, guys, and butter add the rice now. Look a bit, you see it. I'll give this a little stir up, guys, and peas ready already. Yeah, outside, guys. So Anthony's scoring these fish now, guys. We're gonna drop a little score in it so the seasonings can go inside of them deep when we steam these bad boys up. These are from the snappers and stuff that we caught earlier. So stay tuned, guys. Just scoring these up before we drop some seasoning in them and get these bad boys in the pot. Alright, guys, stay tuned.
Response,
Yeah.
Get white rice. Get the rice. Yes. No, push it. See what good amount of water. Sedikit ingredient, no? Sedikit buah. Buah lagi macam tu, no? That's good. Yeah. Terus jadi bagian dia, no? Pasti tu baca one.
One thing, press a button. Come on, I want to touch it the wrong way. Come on, man.
Yeah, so there, you know. Yeah, first thing first, drink water for you, know. Just drink some water, so drink some water there. Add some seasoning to your white boy, you know. Just want to see I'm going to like it there. So I know that already, you know. Just pack with enough seasoning, you know. Oil flavor it. I know that, bro. What that? Children idea, man. Catch and cook vibe. What's that? I'm on the air.
There, guys, Anthony's just seasoning up. Dropping in some seasoning in these scores before we start steaming these fish, guys. So catch and cook vibes, definitely, guys. Steam fish and some okra again, guys.
Yeah, things.
At it.
More kids again.
Yeah, we're not trying no more kids right now still, but you don't know. Yeah man, Anthony time for make babies now and my time. My days are over.
That's why.
You see me guys, we're not just going to chillax.
You know?
Enjoyment and fishing time now, you know.
Yeah.
So it is what it is. Alright guys.
So the one, it is what it is.
I feel like I want to sneeze. Right now.
Yeah, no? It's a brown cook. Fish, I want to soak. Yeah, I'll make some chop up inside, no? Some chopping pan there. I'm not saying there. Some scallion, some okra, no?
Yeah guys, so Anthony's just getting the scallions and stuff cut up now for the steam fish. Get these chopped up real quick. Get these in chunks. I'm sure some of you guys seen the madness before.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's like that, yeah, man.
I have to get a bigger bowl for that.
We'll like some carrot, you know. Some slice of them. Level. Yeah, no, put them half. So I'll go and do like this. One nut across the board. After that, get some onion now.
Well, one.
And this one. Start it off. Yeah, nice.
There goes, so Anthony's cutting these onions up.
Onion and fry off meat. Some space for the beer now. I've got the garlic and pepper. And also I've got some stay tuned. Nothing there, right? Some garlic. Right. Get the oils chop up nice and fine. Mince them with the pepper and then I leave the thyme. Yeah, so. Yeah, well, pepper and thyme, so make a fine them there, no? So, cook them like this. That's what I want to do. So I want the people responsible to, you know, the time badness. Take what them big stick out of you, know. So one. See, I know.
There, guys. So, as you see there, guys, everything got cut up in the pot. It's in a bowl, and we're getting ready to drop this stuff in the pot and get this stirred up in a bit and get it ready to put on the steam fish, guys. All right, guys, stay tuned. We are out here. The vegetables in the pot with Anthony right now. Colors in that, guy. So that one scene gonna look a bit. Yeah, man. Stay tuned, people. We are out here, guys.
So I got the sauce now. What? Pick up my card. Step up there.
You gotta get a bigger pot.
That's what fish.
Yeah. Look at this, guys. Yeah, drop them in there. That's right. That's it.
Got more sauce to go to.
Yeah, guys. So we're about to put it on like last time. That's what's up. Yeah, guys, just want some more guys to this now. You see it? Okay, guys. Yeah, this cook down now, guys. Just want to make this bubble down a little further. Get a little bit thicker. I'm making go for things, guys. We get a little bit thicker, so that I'm making bubble on low heat. That's what's up, guys. About to finish up this now. Some steamed fish and okra and idea, guys. Some rice and peas done in this one. You see me? Outside. Sunday dinner.
Yeah, so nice Sunday dinner. So there, you know, this is nice and peas.
There, guys. I'm sharing out some rice. Check out that. That's what's up. So stay tuned, guys. I'm on. Take the time and share out everything right now. Alright guys, stay tuned. Short red something. You see? About to put the fish in now guys. So stay tuned, alright guys? Outside. You guys, we did drop some crackers into it after all. Yeah, boy. So, I'll try to line up them plate here. Anthony's doing all the sharing and stuff today, guys. Not for whole camera today, I say. Can't do two things at the same time, and the chest strap is not really giving me a visual as normal, guys. Yeah man, so stay tuned guys while Anthony do this part real quick. I'll be right back. Watch it. Guys, so this is it right here guys, the finishing touch. This is what's up guys. Jamaican Spearfishing. Stay tuned guys. Finishing touch. Yeah man, outside guys. Laura's about to taste test her steam fish now guys.
Pepper. I can taste the pepper.
Is it like the pepper? What's good? Tastes good?
I didn't taste the fish.
I don't taste the
Taste the fish now? Careful.
I don't really taste the pepper on the fish. I only taste the crackers.
Alright.
But it tastes good.
That is it.
Alright.
That is it.
Hi. Hi guys. Anthony's cracking up in this video guys. So this is what's up guys. Yeah. We're about to dig into this guys and get busy and eat some fish, some steam fish and crackers here guys. Bless up yourself guys. Thank you for joining us. Jamaican Shore Fishing, me and Laurie. Anthony Spearfishing is here guys. We're about to dig into this meal. We are out here guys and I get hungry. Is it? Alright. Hi guys, please like, share, subscribe. Please like, share, subscribe, watch the ad guys. We've spent a lot working all day today, scaling and gutting these fish that we caught and preparing the meal today guys. Bless up to Anthony Spearfishing, came by, we shot a few videos together, did some cook-ups together. Awesome collab guys. You can jump over to his channel guys, definitely give him a bless up guys, give him a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, watch the ad guys. Alright guys, thank you guys, and if it wasn't for you guys, none of this would be possible. We love you guys. Outside. And Jamaican Shore Fishing guys. I didn't do the taste test before, but I got into this a while ago. I actually jumped into it, got some of the okra and rice and peas, and trust me people, another banger, off the chain. So bless up yourself guys, we are out there.